Now when doing this job, make sure you put your rotor button back in. I've left these out before, and it will not run without it. So in just a second, we'll get Ricky to jump in the truck, fire it up. We'll probably have to reset the time in and shit like that, but it ought to run better. Alright, there we go. Oh, get my wallet. Whoop. Alright, first start with new points. What? Oh shit, gotta hook up the negative. Negative's hooked up. Let it idle. Rev it up. I ain't quit. Well, I think I need to readjust the points. I think I need to readjust the points. It's not hitting right. So cut it off, I'll readjust the points. Bendix. Come on. Get out and take me. I like to have a cameraman. And he's the cameraman for right now. Hurry up.
Call from 2293154.
Oh my God.
Hello?
Shut up, Matthew.
Yeah, what's up? What you doing? I'm just getting the truck running again.
I unhooked the negative cable.
Oh yeah, that bitch running good now. Yeah. As soon as I get the truck running, or as soon as I get the distributor cap back on. Alright, nigga. Alright, nigga. Alright, bye.
Thinking points closed up on me.
Huh?
Point? No, I guess not. Alright.
Were you resetting it again?
Yeah.
Why?
There we go. Alright, that's just a business card flat. So we'll get Ricky to jump back in here, fire it up again, and see if it's running any smoother or closer to where it's supposed to be. So the distributor cap will cooperate. Click. Ah, shit, fuck it. Plug up the negative.
Well, you only supposed to do it flat?
Huh? Well, let's just see how much better it runs. Some of them you do like that, and some of them don't. Vice grips. Still got a vacuum leak, it seems like, or maybe it's just that shitty ass carburetor, but it's done. I think we're gonna go for another ride, or we're gonna let Ricky go for another ride, and we're gonna sit here and listen to him. Oh, you trying to have a wreck this morning?